Yes, and we're back. This is Logic on Steroids. Hit subscribe on this channel. Like this video, share it. We're gonna get into it right now. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Don't touch me.
Diddy, come on.
Sir, what are they touching me for? You set me out every time. So why? I asked her not to go in my room.
On February 16th, 2025, officers responded to a call regarding a woman threatening to stab another female.
I was trying to try because I told they need to get up and fix the baby son to eat. But I had to use the bathroom, so I went to the bathroom. When I got the bathroom, I was going to cook her food. And she wouldn't see how she is.
Tell them that. You always trying to call the police and put me in jail.
They got the police, you did.
You ain't get married nobody. Fuck y'all.
You called.
I don't give a fuck. So?
Can you come talk to me over
No.
here?
Fuck y'all.
Well, you called us, so
Do it like I care. Do it like I care.
Diddy, you want to go back?
Do it like I care. No.
Yo, they don't have no respect for no type of man. Yo, what is this world come to?
With you. Because he'll be taking me to jail.
So what's going on?
Because they ain't nothing but some big ass bullies. And then when I get up and speak for myself, they do this.
Let's walk over to my car.
I'm not going to your car because all y'all do is try to trap me in your fucking love car. I'm not going to your car.
Okay. What's wrong with your hand?
I don't give a fuck.
Can I see it?
No. Do it like you care? No. You don't look like you care. You don't care. You don't care.
Hey, Mason, bring some gloves.
Come here, Gucci. Come on.
That boy said bring some gloves. He ain't touching that greasy.
Buddy, come out here. In the house. Come on, in the house. Go. In the house, buddy.
So let me see your hand.
No,
Where's it hurt at? Because I see you bleeding.
I'll be all right.
Can I see it?
I don't know what they coming up here for, but they might want to stand back. I'm not. Y'all need to move. What is they up here for?
And then we move to the left 2 times and to the right twice, okay? So we go 1, 2. That's it.
You called them? I called them. Not all them. The fuck?
Okay, well, come talk to me over
No,
here.
they coming up here. Go to my car.
Ma'am, come
Nobody
here.
till they
You got
call
kids
my car.
around.
Don't come.
Yo, if y'all wondering why kids do dumb crap, they copy what they see. They are literally mimicking human beings.
My house, you didn't have permission to come in here.
Okay, well.
We didn't give you permission to come in here. Excuse me. That's against the law, ain't it? Y'all can't cross nobody's threshold, right? Yes, it is.
So what's going on?
Y'all have permission to cross somebody's threshold, and I know that's for a fact. If that's my mama,
Thank you, Gemini.
that's my mama.
What's going on?
The fuck? They come fucking with you, and then when you snap, you dead ass wrong.
Man, why do you have blood in your hand?
Because I touched something sharp.
Do you need medical attention?
I don't give a fuck about this hand. Stop telling them that, because if they take me in there, I'm telling you, I'm not coming out. So stop.
So, is she upset at the world? Why she just don't stay inside? Why she gotta be outside with it, loud as hell?
Stop that.
What's so, doing with you?
You can stop doing what you doing, mama. You started it.
What I'm doing?
The fuck?
What I'm doing?
You the one said that shit
what's
this
going
morning.
on?
Stop doing all that. Stop making it seem like it's me.
Ignore your
The fuck?
mom. What's going on? Why are you so upset?
The fuck?
Why are you so upset?
Cause I was in here asleep. Cause I was up all night trying to help my sister with her baby. And my mama had a problem with my baby getting up.
She's whipping out the mother card.
Happy Mother's Day!
To get something to eat. So she said something slick and I got up and spoke for myself. Now they mad. The fuck?
Remember that anger intelligence I made up the other day? not knowing where to direct your anger towards.
When a person get up and stand up for themselves, y'all can't take them to their side because people out here bullying them.
This is a perfect example.
The
Do you have
fuck?
any diagnosis?
No, I got my diagnosis and I know what I got.
What are you diagnosed with?
I grabbed a pair of scissors. I didn't do shit to myself.
What?
Yeah.
If I need to protect myself, I will. The fuck? Ain't nobody here to help me, is it? No.
So when you
The
called
fuck?
911,
Get in the house. Go.
when you called 911, you said that you were gonna stab somebody?
Yeah, because they keep hitting me. I'm not finna keep
Who is
letting
that?
people hit me. I don't care.
Who? Who is that?
The fuck? Then you see that big ass bitch? You think I'm finna let a bitch keep hitting me?
Who are you referring to?
Her right there. The fuck? Yeah, because they got exactly what they want. The police here. Trying to take me, and I'm not going nowhere. Y'all better leave me alone. Leave me alone, bro.
Ignore your family members. What's your first name?
Holy f***. Now let's see which one of these dumbass answers this motherfucker decides to choose.
Good luck with that.
Come here, Gucci. Come here. Come.
We'll be back on Who Wants to Be a Prisoner right after the break.
No.
Would you like the fire department to check out your hand?
No, I don't want nobody touching me.
Did you intentionally do that to your hand?
No.
How did that happen?
I just told you.
Can you tell me again, please?
I just told you.
I wasn't listening. Can you just tell me?
I grabbed a pair of scissors.
How did you?
I just grabbed them. I don't know how I grabbed them.
How does your hand get cut like that just from
I
grabbing
just
the pair
said
of
I don't know how I grabbed them. I just grabbed them. I didn't even know I was bleeding.
Do you have any plans on hurting yourself?
No, that's a small ass cut.
Can you point to it?
I don't know where it's at. It's right here. It's not even no cut. It's just simple fucking poke. I bleed like this.
So when was the last time you took your medication?
No, I've been quiet. I've been chilling. I've been doing.
Yo, some gym memberships is only like 5 cents just to get in. Some of them are free, and you start at high peak. Yo,
on
man.
my own, in my room.
God.
But when people say slick shit about me every day, I get tired of that shit.
Okay, that's understandable.
I don't bother nobody. I stay in my fucking room. I've been in my room for almost 3 years. I don't bother nobody or none of that. What y'all asking her for? They ain't nothing but some snitches anyways.
Well, we asked you for your info. You want to provide it to us now?
See if you can get her name.
I ain't got no info.
Let's put up the crazy club.
Yep.
You're in the house?
Can your mom or someone else grab that for you?
No, they can't go in my room.
Okay, so what's your name? Just tell us your name.
Mama, do not go in my room.
This is my house.
I don't care.
I pay the bills here.
See?
Are you ready?
See? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Don't touch me.
Diddy, come on.
Stop. Why did they touch me, sir? Stop. Please don't do that, because I have problems with my bag. No.
I want y'all to see. Look who she calling for at all that disrespect.
Come on,
Come
y'all
on.
stop.
What did you do, see? See? Why would she come fucking with me? I asked you not to go in my room. You set me up every time. No, you
Now
don't.
she
Remember
wanna blame
that phone. They cut that. That always put me in jail, bro. Please stop touching me. I'm trying to sit down. This hurts. He's hurting me. He is hurting me. Y'all never gave a fuck. Y'all never gave a fuck. No, y'all never gave a fuck. I'm glad y'all doing this because y'all would never talk to me again. That's hurting me right here. I have a broken wrist. I have a broken wrist.
Fit a whole finger through here.
I'm not talking about that one. This one.
I'm listening.
That's a broken wrist right
Give us
here.
a second. Stop.
Oh my
Don't move so
God.
much. You'll be okay. We're gonna readjust
These
it.
bitches set me up.
Just
Can
readjust.
y'all please
Readjust
let
the
me
right
sit
one.
down?
Oh, we're gonna readjust the right handcuff for you.
Yeah.
Just don't pull. You have any weapons on your person?
I ain't got shit. Do it look like I got on a bra?
She put a lighter in.
I have, bro. I do have a lighter because I smoke. Duh. I'm not going nowhere. Because I'm telling you, I'm fresh and charged with all y'all.
Left or right?
I'm suing. Because I didn't do shit to y'all for y'all to have me in jail. Let me go.
Which handcuff is bothering you?
All of them say they suing. I tell you, they read from that street lawyer manual booklet.
This one he touched an ow.
Right or left?
Bro, mama told him I got a broken
I have
wrist.
plenty of room. We can fit our finger. Have a seat.
Oh my
Sit,
God,
sit,
bro.
sit, sit.
She shouldn't have fucking done. She shouldn't have saw all that. They don't. So why? I asked her not to go in my room. Damn. She always setting me up. She stays setting me up. This is why I say these bitches don't love me, bro. They keep putting me in here. They keep doing this. It's never gonna change. That's why I keep trying to leave, bro. This is why I keep trying to leave Orlando. Because they keep putting me in here. The smallest little thing, they put me in there. So please do not be rough with me. I am a female for a reason.
I want him to talk to her.
I got you.
Can you tell him to stop touching me, please? Please. No. Y'all, she set me up. She set me up. Y'all doing this in front of my baby. Can you get my baby? Get my, wait, I'm telling you.
Yo, they put on gloves so they won't touch you.
Get my baby.
Girl, stop playing.
Let's go.
Can you get my baby? Get her in the car, please, Lexi. Stop being rough with me. I am a female.
No one's being rough with you, man.
Yes, you
are
is.
pulling away.
No, I'm not. I was telling my sister to get my baby. You can't tell me I'm pulling away when I'm telling my sister to get my child.
They would be masculine the whole way through. They're talking about they're a female. Don't be rough with them.
The fuck?
Make up your mind. Pick a
Y'all
struggle.
is heartless as fuck. Y'all need to be fired. I hate this lady, bro. They need to give me some help to find me somewhere else to stay. They instead of trying to put me in here. Huh? Stop grabbing me like that. I bruise easy. The fuck? And if I have any bruises, I'm telling y'all, I'm pressing charges and I'm suing y'all ass. Yeah, I know, and y'all ain't had no reason to put me in custody.
You're under arrest.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. They set me up and that's what it is. I'm finna sit down.
No, we're gonna have the fire department look at your hand real quick.
Can I sit right there then? Please?
Here, you can lean up against the bumper of the car.
Because my back hurt really bad.
If you want to just look at her hand real quick.
Right here?
She cut herself with a scissor before we got here.
I did not cut myself, I grabbed scissors.
Right.
That's two different things.
Just couple guys.
And how y'all finna wrap my hand up with my hands like this and it's hurting?
Just let them do their job.
This hurt me. I'm telling you, it's hurting my broken ribs.
Yeah,
but y'all not listening.
There's plenty of room. They can fit our finger through the handcuff.
Can you just listen? Can you listen?
If you stop
I have a cyst on my broken bone right here. It hurts really bad. Y'all not listening. This why people dying and y'all care.
We don't have it, but the mom's over there. She knows it's happening.
Anything happen to me, I'm telling you, I'm coming back from the dead.
What's your first name?
Jesus
I'm not
Christ.
telling y'all.
They're gonna get it from your mom, so you can just tell them, or they're gonna find it. Her hand.
Okay,
Like
can I
her
get
finger.
closer to you? Cause I'm tired of them grabbing on me like this.
What's your first name?
Dory, D-O. Stop grabbing my hand like that.
Sweetheart, we're trying to clean your hand,
We're
okay?
trying to.
He is being too rough on me and I'm sick of this shit now.
Being aggressive with you.
She's 95.
You're gonna feel a little bit of cold water.
No.
We're gonna just rinse your hand off. It's just water. Here.
Huh, do it like this, cause it's gonna hit my damn leg. Which already got the pee with a pad on. And then they know my period on. That's nasty as fuck.
Shut up.
Set me up in my period on. That's nasty.
I apologize, y'all. Those who are eating.
No, I ain't. These people ain't finna give me no pad, no nothing.
I hope y'all ain't eating no pasta.
Can you stop grabbing my arm like that? I'm not going nowhere. I'm standing right here in the middle of all y'all. The fuck? He don't have to grab me like that. I'm right here. Damn.
She is the perfect example of toxic masculinity. If I said it right. Toxic masculinity.
Take this shit out me. They hurting my fucking wrist and it's broken.
We have our ID.
I gave them dogs.
You gave them officer?
Yeah, I would give them everything.
So what happened between your two daughters? What happened between your two daughters?
When the baby got up, I just got in the hospital because I ain't been feeling good. So I had to use the bathroom. They said she was I said, well, the parents need to get up and tend you. And I went to the bathroom. When I went to the bathroom, I heard them arguing. And I came out the bathroom, and they were arguing. That's it.
Did you see
And she
any?
had her sister crying because the way she talked, because she don't have no respect. See, I asked God to deliver me from crying, so I don't problem. She hurt she feeling bad. She hurt my baby feeling.
When you saw them arguing, did you see any scissors around?
Yeah, I seen the scissors. She had them in her hand.
She had it? Was she threatening anybody?
What was she saying when she had the scissors in her hand?
She told us to leave her alone. She gonna.
She said she won't. So she didn't try to like go after her sister?
No, she didn't go after her. But she need to go to Lakeside.
No, I don't need to go. Stop saying that.
Wow.
Stop saying that, mama.
The mama said it.
My baby is up there. You don't give a fuck. Cause every time y'all fuck with me, I got to go to Lakeside. So why, mama? You could have told them to leave me alone. You always on the next side. You don't know. You never gave a fuck. You never gave a fuck. You never cared. You never cared. I'm glad you're showing. Yeah, and you gonna send me instead of you, right? You gonna send me instead of you, right?
Mason.
You guys are never gonna see me again.
Hang on. We gotta wait for a female to come.
For what?
So you can check.
For what? I told y'all I ain't got nothing. She not touching me. Y'all can put me in this car, or I'm just gonna get y'all a reason to arrest me. Cause I don't want nobody touching me. Y'all it's invading people's privacy at this point. The fuck? And I sit down.
Yeah, you wanna sit on the grass right here?
No, it's a stop right there. I can sit right there. I'm not sitting no grass.
We're gonna meet the stopper.
No, the y'all say I can defend myself. If a bitch is putting their hands on me and jumping on me. Oh, fuck.
Alright, do you have anything else on you?
I just told them no.
Other than the lighter? Okay.
I ain't got no lighter. My lighter up there.
Okay, well, I wasn't over here, so I'm just asking you.
I just told them that.
Okay.
And I just told them my blood is coming down on my from my pussy.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
And they keep telling you to touch me.
Okay, well, I do have to search you.
For what? I just told them I ain't got shit.
Okay. Well,
I have a pad on.
Okay. Well, are we 10-15 here? I'd like to stand her up and search her. Okay.
What is a 10-15?
You wanna stand up?
Stand on up.
Okay, you the boss? Okay, why do I have to go to jail for defending myself?
So you can stand up. I want you to stand.
Wait.
I don't know why they wear short ass clothing when they going through their little thingy, their little cycle.
Wait, my back is killing me, bro.
Females are backwards. Why would you throw the most hoochiest stuff on during the time of the month? Why would you do that?
Wait, my back is killing me, bro. I can't right now. I have to get up first.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. There we go. Nice.
Why do I have to go to jail for defending myself? And I was getting beat on. I wasn't doing nothing to nobody. I just woke up and stopped talking about it.
Walk towards the back of that.
I am spreading.
I'm gonna pull this down for you so it's not all the way up in there. Alright.
Nothing on my record. Because of them, I got one now.
Have a seat there.
I'm going to jail because I asked them to stop talking about me. Son in the seat.
Huh? Yeah, they're gonna grab the seatbelt for you.
These people were swinging on me and I'm going to jail. It was beating on me, bro.
Since I'm the female here, is there any other female stuff that you need me to do for you before you?
Yeah. Is there anything else you need, man?
The seatbelt can't even get on her.
Shit, dog, this one fell.
That's crazy. Yo, man. The lesson learned today is it is not illegal to go to the gym. All right. Listen, subscribe to this channel, man. Like this video. I got more coming at y'all, man. You know what I mean? But I think those cops did a good job. Write in the comments, say what you think about how they handled everything and her behavior. Whatever you feel like writing, I want to read it. Are you ready? All right. See y'all later. Love y'all. Next time. Peace.